So today I want to talk to you about wiring batteries in parallel. Wiring batteries in parallel is a great way to add more amp hours to your ReefBoxx setup. Unlike the last video that I showed you where you were wiring in series, today we'll cover the parallel wiring. It's fairly simple as well. You can see we have two batteries here. We have negative going to negative, positive going to positive. So then we have our output for our booster, and we have our connector for our battery charger. You can see that our negative is on the end of this battery and our positive is on the end of this battery. That's the way that you want to do it to keep it balanced. So this is pretty simple. I'll put this on the whiteboard for you. So you would take your 24-volt normal power input and run it to the input side of the ReefBoxx, just coming off of the power brick. Then your input goes into your booster. Your battery comes out of your booster and goes into the battery port for the ReefBoxx. And then from your output, you will come out of the output into your controller for your pump. Again, we're using the ReefBoxx 2 just to simulate that. And that's it. It's all connected. So in order to connect your charger, another simple thing, you'll just go from the other end of the negative on one and the positive on the other. Then you'll just connect your battery up to there. You can do it all on one terminal if you like, but once you start adding too much stuff, then it seems to get a little crowded. So you can do it either way, however you want to do it. But I'll put it on the whiteboard so you can check it out. Thanks again, and I'll catch you on the next one. ReefBoxx wired in parallel on the whiteboard. This is a simple 2-battery. You can do more batteries in parallel, but you do need to check with the manufacturer, because a lot of them will limit how many you can put in parallel or how many you can put in series as well. Always remember that your voltage will stay the same when you wire batteries in parallel, but your amp hours will double. So if you have two 12-volt 100 amp hour batteries and you wire them in parallel, you will actually have a total of 200 amp hours at 12 volts. And once you bring it into the booster and bring it out, then you'll have your 24-volt 200 amp. Hope this helps. As always, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.